As you guys can remember the last time I bought a drone, right? This drone. I think I bought it like 2 years ago. 2022. I bought this drone in 2022. And I made a video about it. It is here somewhere on the channel. So we brought it with us to America, and because there's so much here, as you can see, so much yard space. This is in front of the house, and then as well there's a lot of yard space. So Christia is going to try and fly the drone. Let's go outside. Outside with you. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Here in front is nice and sunny. Nice and sunny. Nice and sunny outside in front. You can go. You can go.
Man, they look at the drones there. Oh man.
Expensive.
There's $3,000. They have cheap ones.
Come here this side. Here's my open space. Are you gonna leave it there? What are you seeing?
It's a bird. It's a bird.
In the bush.
Where? How do you know it's just a bird?
The squirrel.
It's a squirrel. It's a squirrel. There's a squirrel running. There's a squirrel running. There's a bird going. But there's a squirrel running. There's a lot of squirrels here. Okay. Here starting up the drone. Oh, it's going up and it's going. Oh, can you bring it this side? Oh my. There you go. It's flipping. Put it on here.
How? What side is what?
Oh, through the trees. Oh my goodness, almost a crash. Bring it up, leave it there. Out of the grass. Switch it off. Make sure that there's no grass in the... Stop it. Don't let it go in the street. The thing with this drone is we are still trying to figure out how to control it. We're still trying. Yeah, it's not. So that's why I told you. Just play with it. Let it go up and down, up and down. First. Be careful that there's no cars coming. Come here. Come closer. Still trying to figure this thing out. Come in. Look here. Just bring it up and down, up and down. And that's how you're going to try and control it. Stop it. It's going to the streets. You see, you're not supposed to run after it. You're supposed to control it and bring it back to you. But with this thing, I don't know, he's got his own mind. Oh, and it's flipping. Did you see that flip? You're gonna hurt its wings, Rustia. You're gonna hurt its wings. Can you make it stop? Okay,
Put this thing off.
take it off there.
It's an actual bird now.
Come here. Again. There, go there. Let's get away from the street. And the battery goes flat very quickly. Let's see. It's not connected. If the lights are flashing, then it's there. It's connected now. Oh, did you see that flip? You must always make sure that the wings. Wait, no, wait. Open it more. You see, it's not evenly open. Like this. Push it more back. You see. But you got it right earlier. Almost. Ah, why are you doing that? It's going into the bush. There's a lot of squirrels. Where's the squirrel? Can you see it? Where's it? Where? Nowhere. Look. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, so cute.
Back!
How did you do that? How do you do that? Now how do you do that? Do it again.
Now he doesn't run.
She just enjoys this running up and down. You know the battery is gonna go flat again. Quick.
I just want to do a 360 in the air.
Ah! I want you to try and control it. Bring it back to you. That's how you control it, yeah. Bring it back. Oh!
Right in.
Again. It's there we go. Bring it back. Bring it back. Oh, there, it's coming. It's coming. More. Back.
It's not.
Try again. If it goes further, then you make it stop. Make it stop.
someone's down.
Yes. There we go. Oh, can you hear the helicopter? Sounds so loud. There it's coming. Oh! Where's the helicopter going? Ah! Where's it? There it is. You crazy? Oh! Bring it down a little bit more. Up. Oh! Do you know now? You can just leave it there and control it. Let it go up. Flat now. You see? That thing doesn't last for too long. And I don't know if we can buy another battery somewhere. So we at least have to charge it for 1 hour or more. Oh! Mine is here. It's gonna go into the road and then there's a car gonna drive over it. Do you like it? Now, Shimas, it can also, if you download the app on your phone, you can record on your phone. So I first let her practice with the controller, and when she gets that right, then she can do it from the phone and start recording videos on it. So it is flat now. We're going to charge it again. Is it hard to figure it out? Not that hard. Only sometimes.
Look at the start, yeah, it's on.
Is the pap. Is the puppet release op gaan net die ligte gaan af. So guys, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Bye.